You can. Okay, good job, baby. Thank you for helping mommy. Yan na pong aking baby bunso. Okay. I thought you will help mommy. Nag-volunteer so na I will help mommy kana na magtiman. Yamen, si Papa, si Daddy niya ay nag-iinaw. Naghuhugas ng pinggan ang Daddy.